A for an apple. B for a book. C for a crown. D for a drum. E for an egg. F for a fish. G for a goat. H for a horse. I for an insect. J for jam. K for karate. L for letter. M for moon. N for nap. O for oven. P for puppy. Q for queen. R for red panda. S for snowman. T for tea. U for unicorn. V for violets. W for window. X for xylophone. Y for yummy. Z for zebra.